My name's Tom Martin. I'm the owner of Tight Canberra and Virtual Trade Assistant. Tight Canberra are plumbing maintenance specialists. We specialise in both residential maintenance and large strata building residential maintenance. We started in 2010. 3 months later, we put on our first apprentice, Simon, and we've been running the business ever since. Each year we've steadily grown, and each year we've basically put on a new plumber or apprentice. Another point of our success is our customer service focus. So we are very honest, very reliable, and we will always go out of our way to ensure our customers have been well looked after and that they are happy with the end result. One of the biggest challenges we've had in business was a couple of years ago, several years ago, when we realised we were on a job management program, which was really lagging behind. It had been good up to a period, but really no updates had been made for the entire time that we were on it. It became obvious to us that the most important part about a service-based business is having efficient tradesmen that are out there on the tools, earning as much money and as they can. If they had to spend half an hour a day updating software to make sure you've got a stock control, that's a huge cost to the business over the course of a year. When we moved to ServiceM8, it was incredibly refreshing. It completely changed the way we did business. Everything became more automated and it was just a really easy process. Some of the day-to-day challenges in running a service-based business is predominantly getting your paperwork done on time as quickly as possible and getting your invoices out the door for cash flow. We've got 8 tradesmen on the road, and each of them could do up to 6 or 7 jobs in a day if they're smaller jobs, and that's a lot of paperwork we need to process. ServiceM8 has solved so many problems for us. Our administration time is literally being halved by the fact that it's so easy for our tradesmen to take easy job notes or video notes. Another benefit of using ServiceM8 has been how easy the tradesmen have adapted to it. It is very intuitive. We're completing jobs quicker and to a higher standard because of the ease of using ServiceM8. ServiceM8 and Xero integrate seamlessly. An invoice can be created in ServiceM8. As soon as it's approved, it's pushed over to Xero. By linking these two extremely advanced pieces of software, ServiceM8 for the job management and Xero for the accounting package, you are really getting the best of both worlds seamlessly. Every single aspect of our business has been improved by implementing ServiceM8. It's probably the best business decision I've ever made.